पूरा करो, काम पूरा
This
करो.
is preamble. No, not for preamble, for solutions and actions.
Jyoti, please.
Did you read the last
I have
General Body
read
meeting
each
minutes?
paper that
You
you
have not read anything.
You want to argue with me? Come outside. We'll
Yeah,
argue.
please.
But
I'll
don't
do
waste
that.
the time of this.
I will do that. Please, Mr. You are wasting the time.
No, you are wasting our time by just reading out preambles without any solution.
It's a bloody hell fraud. You are talking about preamble? What? More than 3 lakh rupees has gone out.
Whatever it is, I am not your culprit.
Then don't interfere like this.
I am not
You are on the house. From the house.
You people have not, you do not know how meetings are held in the army.
This is not army. Sir, this is not army. This is not army.
But that is the proper
Now, with due
method.
respect, just let
That is the proper method now.
Let him finish. Let him finish.
Finish
Let him
or don't
finish. He's just finishing. Just
Okay,
hold for a
then go
while.
ahead and finish.
Hold for a while.
last point.
Hold for a while. Just let him finish.
Let him give corrected figure. What is he has already given explanation. आप लेट आए ना, आपको क्या पता है?
Those were raised by Mr. Sagar in his circular. So if he wants to touch them, he can. But otherwise,
I have a very basic question. We are trying to find solutions to these problems that we incurred. But it appears that the treasurer had a free run. So can we just hold the treasurer responsible?
No, it's not possible. It's not humanly possible. No. It's not humanly possible. All the office bearers have to be responsible.
Everybody is putting blame on one person.
It's not possible. No, it's not possible. It's not possible.
Everybody is involved in
It's not humanly possible. Everybody has to share the
Every
responsibility.
meeting that we would like to see the car was not it was not handed to us, not shown to us. Mr. Verma, you used to every time talk about it.
Then the action should have been taken at that time.
Wait for 3 years for this.
Why wait for this long?
He's right, it's a collective responsibility. It's a collective responsibility of the entire association.
I had personally made several requests. Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
For me, sir, Sunilji and this thing, they are the senior most member.
I agree.
And they are in the hands of affairs or Yogesh Khanna. We sleep. We know our
I was not in town. I was 6 months in America. I was no clue. And I gave my resignation as vice president.
Then you should have resigned.
I resigned. I resigned. I gave the resignation to her. I gave the resignation to him. She did not accept. She did not accept. And when we took out a circular, informing the duplicate receipt,
We are best of the family, we are best of the friends.
Sorry, sir.
But you cannot absolve yourself.
No. When we took out the circular, informing the duplicate receipt, a police complaint was lodged against us. A legal notice was applied against for us. The person who is embezzling the funds, वो हमारे अगेंस्ट केस कर रही है. हम लोग आपको बताएंगे नहीं. ये बोलने सेक्टर ने क्या किया? हमने आप लोगों को सर्कुलर निकाल के बताया ये हो रहा है. And उसका पूरा FIR against us. They are saying, नहीं, they are saying, उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है, we snatched the record. We have a proof. She gave it in writing and went to Mr. Mehfili out personally. She is writing, please snatch the record. We are extorting money. She is saying कि मेरे को harass किया जा रहा है. We have recording for everything.
What are the checks and balances?
We have recorded. She has agreed कि ये 4,500 मेरे से ले लो.
What do you do? मैंने कई बार बोला
उसने बोला 5 लाख ले लो मार से. सामने बैठी है प्रेसिडेंट के सामने बोला उसने 5 लाख ले लो.
I can't stop me.
You know my family. I am driving now.
लड़ने से कुछ हो रहा है लड़ाई से कुछ हल है आराम से सलूशन निकालो ना यार
I had complete trust in her. And you have trust in us.
At the same I trust in her my friend And I always thought that what the treasurer is doing, the president is aware.
Please, 1 minute. Just अभी हम लोगों ने सबके सामने we have sent so many messages, so many phone calls. Person has called. He has not come. What are you doing? आप चाहिए नहीं बताइए You can't do here.
Together we have sat with her.
What do I do?
You are not informed any members, it is entire members. You say you inform the entire members who money you are assessing or refusing.
मैं बता रहा हूँ हमने किया like today.
Mistake हो गया. It's not that mistake हो गया.
मैं क्या मारपीट को नहीं करूँगा. I make a request only. I made that.
3 years was sleeping. 3 years you were sleeping. Not informing the members.
Not sleeping.
Then why the members were not informed about all this developing?
जब तक जीपीएम नहीं होगी कैसे करेंगे? पूरी बुलाई. I cannot.
हमें clarity
I'm a very small prop in the RWA committee. I'm a road representative. I've been attending most of the meetings, and every time this was brought on, we want to see the accounts, we want to see what's been happening. Somehow it was, some excuse was given, I've come from office, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'll bring it next time. It was not brought. When it came to our notice, we started digging in deeper and we found instances of massive misappropriation, defalcation. In July 2016, a sum of 1 lakh was withdrawn without any information to the RWA. No sanction, which we were not told. No reason, flimsy reason. I asked Jyoti. She said, oh, we did it for water harvesting. What water harvesting? She said, मैं बोल दूँगी मैंने घर के काम के लिए किया है.
When did you come to know? When did you come to know?
I did come forward. I am not a signatory. 3 people are signatories. I am a very small cop. We were very angry about it. That money was deposited in March of 2017. No reason was given. 9 months that money was kept. 9 months, no explanation, no reason.
Madam, then why the residents were not informed?
They were
For 9 months.
because we did not know. We did not know. We were not given.
Whose money was this?
Our money.
Then you should have informed everybody.
We did not know when we saw the passbook was seen for the first time
Ignorance is of no excuse.
in
Please
Jyoti's
remember.
house. They did not
Ignorance
bring
is of no
it.
excuse. Simply you ignore everything. You
No,
are not knowing.
we were not given.
You are running like a proprietorship firm.
I'm suggesting that Mr. Sagar had not raised the issue. This would have gone on.
Yes.
Is that your suggestion?
I have a record of that.
We had sent a letter before he
No
raised the
response came
issue.
to that. No response came to that. About a week or 10 days before that, we have the meeting.
And it was our money also, sir. It was our money also.
Fine.
And 2 signatories are responsible, but we did not have signing capacity.
Madam, by shouting it will
No, I'm being loud and not shouting.
Don't shout. You can
Because
listen
there's so many
properly.
people over there.
Please, you can listen properly. Don't shout like this.
Because you won't be able to hear.
She's here and she's been attending all the meetings with her husband being in ICU.
But then
Please
you
don't behave like that. No, no, please. Please,
That's the way she speaks. She's not shouting.
she is here for a specific reason and she's missing her husband right now in the ICU
My husband's in ICU, but I've come
for
here
last 15 days.
because I want to tell you all what is happening.
आप ऐसे
आप पूछिए ना, आप पूछिए ना.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
आप पूछिए.
आप पूछ रहा हूँ मैं आपसे 30 दिन हो गए हैं नहीं 30 दिन हो गए ऑडिट कमेटी ने क्या कर लिया
Every weekend he's been here.
every weekend
A lot of things
He's
is
come
covered.
all the way from Jammu
क्या कर रहे हो आप
every weekend.
What are
Every
you
weekend.
talking today?
3 साल से आप बैठे हुए हैं चुप करके. आपको मालूम नहीं क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा.
मीटिंग में तो आते नहीं हो आप लोग क्या बात कर रहे हो क्या बात कर रहे हो
my humble request, इतने साल में कभी इस मीटिंग नहीं आई. We have senior people like MC Bhatia sir, Kochar साहब, Mathur ji, Rajneesh Baba, and others, Kapoor साहब, and it's very easy to shout. Let's found a solution to all this.
एक मिनट, आपका पैसा गया, अकाउंट फॉर हुआ है ना? मेरा पैसा कहाँ है? जो अकाउंट फॉर नहीं किया किसी ने भी. कहाँ गए ये लोग? Sir, you cannot shout like this. Okay? Why you cannot shout like this?
क्यों नहीं बनाई उसने सीट? बनानी चाहिए थी, जमा करनी चाहिए थी। और मैं डिनाई नहीं कर सकती, उनके पैसे मेरे घर पे आए थे, मैंने भेजे थे उसको देने के लिए।
अब मुझे बताइए
शांति से करना पड़ेगा।
We cannot take a decision. They, on the basis of our circular that we removed them, we informed the duplicate receipt. They filed a legal notice. She, not they. She filed a legal notice. पे छूट के हमने उनके ऊपर ये किया, वो लीगल नोटिस यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. अब आप बताइए क्या करना है हमारे. Because आपके
किस तरीके से ऐसे गलतियाँ करी है छोटी-छोटी, जिसके लिए आज हम जवाब दे खड़े हैं.
So what is the resolution?
Reappropriation करिए, reappropriation.
Let's file an FIR.
पहले reappropriation करें ना, only then you can file. Whatever. FIR बाद में कैसे कर देंगे? Let them give a position.
We have given our observation, despite the fact that this job was to be done by the audit committee, which they did not do for reasons best known to them. Whatever.
ये बोलने देंगे क्या? ये बोलने देंगे आप मेरे खिलाफ बोले जा रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं आपके खिलाफ नहीं बोल रहा.
मेरे खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं?
सर ऑडिट कमेटी को
नहीं ऑडिट आप मैं ये बोलने का मौका दो. मैं नॉट बोल, मैंने कहा मैं मिला हुआ हूँ उनके साथ में, ये परसेंटेज आ रहा है उनसे. आपने ये बात करी बेस्ट नॉट फॉर द रीजन बेस्ट नॉट
नहीं किया
ऑडिट कमेटी.
आप लोगों ने ऑडिट क्यों नहीं किया?
हमने ऑडिट नहीं करी है.
सर मेरे से लीगल सर मेरे से लीगल वाली हाँ बड़ी चंगी वाली मेरे से लीगल नोटिस किया ना कि नहीं मेरा नाम पाया ना विच आई एम हेयर बाय स्पेशल इनविटेशन नहीं कि नहीं पाया विजिटरा ने ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਕੰਪਲੇਂਟ ਤੇ ਹਾਊ ਕਮ ਯੂ ਵਰ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦੈਟਸ ਦ ਬਿਊਟੀ ਤਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਵਿਸ਼ ਲਾਈਕ you got it but now she will like me even more because now I'm officially taking record of everything because she has invited me to do it sir. You're most welcome. No, sir. As a brotherhood, I am there, but doing this is wrong.
सियाने बंदे ने साढ़े दोनों
सर इन्नी गल तो मनोगे तुसी कि जैसे ही पता लग गया उस तो बाद इन्ना फास्ट एक्शन किया गया ये तो मनते हो ना सर. जब
बंदे ने पार्ट ऑफ फैमिली है
सर बट तुसी गल सुनो ना असी सारे एक दूसरे ते भरोसा करके चलते हैं.
बिल्कुल चलते
ठीक है तो पता तो ताई लगता है जब प्रभरोसा टुटिया हो. देन व्हेन यू लुक बैक इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट देन यू रियलाइज ओ शिट कितना कुछ गलत हो गया.
परमिशन दी गई री-ऑडिट करने की तो फिर साइन करवाने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
Sir, the audit committee has refused to sign the audit. They have refused, which is wrong.
मुझे जवाब देने
हम तभी करते हैं जब जो है साइन अकाउंट
जवाब मत दो अभी कंप्लीट करो ना.
मैं अगर गलत कह रहा हूं
चलता ही रहेगा
तो बैलेंस शीट कैसे बनेगी जब
अब जो है
This should be treated like a family affair. ठीक है सर. देखो अगर मैंने अपनी वाइफ से बोला या अपने फादर से बोला या मेरे को हिसाब दे दो जो पीछे मैंने 10 लाख रुपए दिए थे आपको या लाख रुपए दिए थे तो उसमें कोई साइन होना चाहिए. एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए कि हाँ बेटा इतने का हिसाब होगा इतने का नहीं होगा क्या करना. बात खत्म होगी. दैट इज हाउ RWA should be done.
हम अकाउंटेंट नहीं
कोटिंग द लॉ कोटिंग प्रोसीजर
अकाउंटेंट से बन
सर 9 साल से चला रहा हूँ मैं बिना पैसे के चला रहा हूँ.
हम सब साइन करते हैं आप कोई साइन नहीं करेंगे. हम किस पे बात की
हाँ
गेट है ना मदरला गेट वो दोनों 409 वाला वो ये सवेरे दोपहर बंद नहीं हो सकता. वो एक्स्ट्रा है ऐसे मेन रोड बन गई है ना स्कूल आता है
top of it. Finally, I've given a notice. I'm holding an election in B9, one election for both sides.
That's very good. Yeah.
I have decided, sir. Enough is enough.
There should be one election.
And as per the constitution, there is no amendment that we can continue for another year. The committee has to only be there for 1 year.
मैं कर रहे हैं, sir. I'll update you all on that. हाँ, I'll.
So you are here until 31st of March next year? No, so we've already completed our tenure for 1 year. So the GBM has to really, approve in case you want the tenure to be increased for the executive committee which is serving right now till 31st March 2015. So that's the second agenda that needs to be. So that means right now you don't have the authority. Your term was over on 31st March? Yes. 31st March 2015. Yes.